Hello, I'm Samson Wood, and I'm here today to talk to you about nanotechnology. Now, when I say the words nanotechnology, you may think of some kind of weird sci-fi machine that does terrible things, but I'm here to talk about what nanotechnology actually is. So, to explain what nanotechnology is, maybe it'd be good to get a grounding in how the process starts and how the materials are made. So for nanotechnology, you take what we call nanomaterials, or particles of about the size of a nanometer to 100 nanometers, and you arrange them into machines that have different functions depending on what they're required to do. Current research has been done for, the current research that's been done for nanotechnology has been mostly in the fields of healthcare and engineering, mostly civil engineering. And in healthcare, there's been a major focus on cancer treatment and reproductive health services. A little bit more about the medical uses is that gold nanoparticles have been used to treat cancer patients using MRI techniques, as well as a hormone sensor for women to check on their estrogen and progesterone levels to make sure that they are progressing naturally and healthily. They can also be used to some extent as a male hormone suppressor, but this use is not really recommended because it's hard to control. Another technology in the reproductive health area is contraceptives. An iron oxide compound known as SMART RISUG, reduced induction of sperm under guidance, has been used to reduce male sperm count as a safe and natural form of contraception. There's also been uses for to treat cancer using iron oxide as well, to transport materials to and from cells, such as gallium, to treat the cancer. In civil engineering, there has been a push to incorporate carbon nanotubes with compounds such as concrete in order to reinforce the concrete and keep it lightweight, as to create better building applications for this technology. An interesting thing to note is that the techniques that led to the creation of nanotechnology came from microprocessor research and the lithography techniques used. So besides civil engineering, there's some use in computer science engineering in order to further increase the productivity of the processors and other materials that people use in their everyday lives. Of course, all of these things don't come without some danger. Especially, as I touched on before, gold nanoparticles, when used in a male body, reduces sperm count in an uncontrollable manner, which means that it may reduce it, it may not, and the amount that it will reduce is not really clear. If one was seeking just simply reproductive, contraceptive use, one would want the iron oxide nanocompound. Otherwise, nanomachines left in a body dormant have the chance to be toxic to a human just due to the body's natural defenses against foreign invaders. And this has become a very big issue as this technology has reached into agriculture and food production, simply because it will reach the bodies and the mouths of many other people. It's a technology that has many potential uses, and without further research in the use of healthcare and civil engineering, due to the abundance of information that is present in those fields already, we'll have no way to tell how they can potentially impact future generations.